Let's see how to perform section trimming operations in CYPE Connect in order to resolve a connection between beams. Starting with a previously created node, we select it in the table on the left-hand side of the interface and edit the connection by clicking on the corresponding button at the top. In the connection pop-up window under the Model tab, we must specify the operations required to define the connection. In this example, the sections of beams B2 and B3, which run perpendicular to beam B1, have already been adjusted. Now we are going to enter the necessary trims to avoid the clashes that the program identifies between the plates of the beams. To do this, we click on the Trim Section option in the top toolbar. In the drop-down menu, we select the section we wish to cut out from those available. In this case, we choose one of the secondary beams, B2. The position of the trim can be either top or bottom. We choose top as we wish to trim at the top of the section. In type of trim, we specify whether it is straight, with chord radius, or with drill. When it is straight, we enter only the X and Y dimensions of the trim and the units shown. The diagram below helps users identify the reference system for these dimensions. They all refer to the section's envelope, which is its original geometry before adjustments were made. We can use the view options in the top bar to make the position of the envelope visible in the view of the connection. We make the sections transparent by clicking on the cell in the drawing column and activate the envelope view on the right. After we accept, the envelopes of the sections are displayed in grey. Returning to the Trim Section option, if using trims with chord radius or with drill, in addition to the X and Y dimensions, we also specify the corner radius or the drill diameter, respectively. In this example, we use a with chord radius trim, giving an X dimension of 10 mm, a Y dimension of 30 mm, and a radius of 10 mm. If we wish to apply this operation to the other beam at a later stage, we use the copy option available at the top of the table on the left-hand side. In this new operation, in the section area, we select the B3 beam, but leave the rest of the parameters with the same value. From here, we must add the rest of the operations required for completing the model of the connection before being able to perform its analysis.